Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change a flight on United Airlines. First, understand that most economy and premium cabin tickets allow changes without a fee, giving you flexibility. However, it's important to know that basic economy tickets generally do not qualify for these free changes. Also, some international routes originating outside the United States might have different rules. Always check your specific ticket type and route for detailed information before proceeding with any changes. To change your flight, first log into your United Airlines account using their website or the mobile app. Once logged in, locate the My Trips section and select the specific reservation you need to modify. You will then see an option labeled Change Flight, which you should click. From there, the system will guide you through selecting your desired new travel dates or even a different destination, ensuring a smooth process. Even when the change fee is waived, a fare difference might apply depending on your new flight selection. The United system will transparently display any increase or decrease in fare, so you will see the exact amount. For example, if your new flight is significantly more expensive, you'll pay the difference. Carefully review the proposed new itinerary and all associated costs before proceeding to confirm your flight change, ensuring you understand the total amount due. Special rules apply for basic economy tickets, which typically do not allow changes, even if you are willing to pay a fare difference. These tickets are often non-changeable and non-refundable. Additionally, international flights that originate outside of the United States might be subject to different local regulations or currency conversion rates. If your situation involves a basic economy ticket or a complicated international itinerary, it is always best to contact United Airlines customer service for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.